Hi, my name is Christina. Thank you for tuning in to Collision Care Express's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the OEM certifications that we hold. So as of today, we are structurally certified for all Tesla vehicles. And this is a big difference than your other local collision centers. They are only cosmetically certified for Teslas. Here at Collision Care Express, we have done extensive training on the Teslas so that we can actually repair all structural parts in a Tesla. So that includes replacing the battery, doing inner structural parts, replacing quarter panels, and this is a huge difference. Cosmetic shops will only be able to repair your front bumper, maybe repair the outside of your door, but this is a huge difference, and the training that we do is extensive. It allows us to repair the vehicles back to the OEM standards. So please be careful when you're going to and choosing your shops. Make sure that if you do have structural damage, that you do your research and you do visit a shop that is structurally certified in Tesla. Our second certification is Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz, we are certified in the Elite program. And this program also includes the Mercedes commercial fleet vans. So this is a huge difference as well. So some shops are just certified strict Mercedes vehicles. We actually took the extra training and got the extra equipment needed to repair the commercial fleet vehicles. Also with Mercedes, our technicians are sent out to Texas, and they did a 2-week intensive training just for welding alone. So this is extremely important when you choose your shop and when you choose and make sure that they are OEM certified in that line. Our third certification is Alfa Romeo. This is our newest certification, and we're very proud that we have received Alfa Romeo as our third one. Our oldest certification that we've had is Honda and Acura. So Honda and Acura, we are part of their program. So again, with this certification, we have to do extensive training on the vehicles, and we have to have special computers straight from Honda and Acura in order to scan the vehicles and repair them properly. Our other biggest group that we have is the FCA brand, and this includes Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Fiat, Ram, the whole Dodge Chrysler group. So this is another certification that we have done and taken the training on. Another certification that we have is Hyundai and Kia, and we also have General Motors. General Motors is another big certification. We have special computers that are linked for just General Motor vehicles, and this includes Cadillac, Chevy, all the GM brands, Buick, and we also have Nissan and Infiniti. So Nissan and Infiniti, again, we do a lot of training on these vehicles constantly. We are ICAR Gold certified, and this is for the collision industry standards that you have to achieve in order to be able to repair these vehicles. So when you're choosing your body shop and your collision repair center, please make sure and check that they are certified in your manufacturer. It is extremely important. We go through rigorous trainings, and we have to buy extensive equipment in order to repair your vehicles the way that they were meant to be repaired. And the way that the manufacturer actually built the vehicle is how we get it back to. So please tune in to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and please list any questions or comments that you have. We would love to do more frequently asked questions. And definitely follow us on Instagram. It's collision_care_express. Again, thanks for tuning in, and please call us for a free estimate anytime, 954-590-8015. Thank you.